In this video, we will show you how to use OpenKM Scan Station to scan documents, convert them to PDF, and upload them to the repository with custom metadata. OpenKM Scan Station is an application that allows us to scan documents, convert them to PDF if desired, and upload them to the OpenKM repository. To do this, we first verify our server connection in the configuration menu. Now, we will create a profile. We go to the New button. We will first insert a name. In this case, we will name it Brochures. At the bottom, we can enable or disable the steps the wizard will guide us through. In this case, we will specify that we will convert it to a PDF document, rename it, upload it to the repository, and add a metadata group. Now, we proceed with the Scanning tab, where we will select the scanner. In my case, I will use the Twain driver for an Epson scanner. Then, we can use predefined changes or the native UI. In this case, I will use the predefined fields. For the step of converting to a PDF document, we will set it so that all of this data is requested at the time of conversion. We will specify the same when uploading the file. Finally, we will define the metadata group we want to add. I will select 3, and we will click the Save button. Once saved, the button will be enabled, and we can select a profile. The buttons will be activated according to the steps enabled in the profile. In this case, we proceed to scan and will be asked if we want to continue scanning. In my case, it's a flatbed scanner, so I will click the Yes button. Once again, I will confirm that I want to continue scanning a few more documents. The left panel now includes the thumbnails of the scanned images and their status. In the lower panel, we will scan one last image, and I will indicate that I no longer want to continue scanning. We can navigate by selecting each of the images. If we double-click on any of them, we can change their position. Now, we will proceed to convert it to a PDF file. We have 3 options. The first is to convert a single document containing all the pages. The second is to convert it after a set number of pages to create a document. And finally, we can do it according to a range. We will create a single document with all the images in this case. We can compress it to a Group 4 format or force an A4 size format. We click the Accept button, and now each of the generated PDF will be uploaded. We can view them in full screen, or if we want to delete them, there is also an option at the top to return to the previous step if we are unsatisfied with the result. Now, we proceed to the renaming step. In this case, we will name the PDF document and click the Next button. At the bottom, we see that it has been renamed. Now, we proceed to the Upload step. Here, we select a path in OpenKM. I already have a pre-selected path. We choose it and click the Accept button. Now, if we go to the OpenKM server and refresh, we can see the document we uploaded. It still doesn't have metadata, so the next step will be to add the metadata group. We fill in the fields, click the Next button, and see that the metadata has been added correctly. Finally, we click the Finish button. Returning to OpenKM and refreshing, we can see the metadata we added. For more information or any questions, feel free to contact us through our website form or via our social media.